Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So today we're going to be checking out some trendy winter hairstyles. So we have this stylist adding in some curls. Looks like she's going to be twisting the hair into a big braid. Oh, so gorgeous. Perfect hairstyle for like any type of winter formal that you may have coming up or wedding event. And then we have this really pretty holiday style with the bow. That is so gorgeous. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to like today's video. And of course, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here's another great holiday inspired style. Love the burgundy ribbon with that one. And then we have this gorgeous updo bun look with the curtain style bangs. So this is a hairstyle that you can wear every day if you want to. It's a really pretty sleek bun. And then we have a volume ponytail hack. And then we have a holiday updo with this rhinestone crystal claw clip. Followed by the pull through braid. Love how she paired that with a scrunchie. Oh, I love how this braid looks with her top. That is so cute. So it looks like she's going to be doing a bubble ponytail. That is a really nice holiday hairstyle for all the holiday parties and events. So cute. So if you guys want to see more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.